Hey sweets, I'm back and jumping right into this video. First, let's talk about my favorite protein treatment, and it's from Camille Rose Natural. And my hair is already freshly washed, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply the protein treatment from Camille Rose Naturals, and you can find this at Sally's Beauty Supply Store, and it is my favorite protein treatment. I purchased this myself. This is not sponsored. I absolutely love this product. It is a deep conditioner and a protein treatment all in one. Normally, I would use Apogee protein treatment before I found out about this product. And I will always have to follow up with a deep conditioner treatment after, because Apogee protein treatment leaves your hair feeling really dry and crispy, and you always have to re-add that moisture. This product does not. You don't have to do that. You just apply the product all through your hair and sit under a dryer or not for 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it. Now, I like to do a protein treatment twice a month or before and after I use heat when I'm blow drying my hair. Also, because I have color, breakage comes with over manipulation, so protein treatments are a must in my regimen. So again, I normally do it twice a month, but if I'm going to use heat, I do a protein treatment before and after, and I use this protein treatment. Now, how to know if your hair needs protein is pretty much if you have high porosity hair, your hair frizzes a lot, tangles, color treated, color loss, hair has lost its elasticity or has heat damage, hair feels stringy, not lively or whatnot. And if you're sensitive to protein, you can try a cholesterol treatment. They have one as well. A cholesterol treatment is just not as harsh as a protein treatment, and some people don't respond well to protein treatment. So a cholesterol treatment is a good way to get those bonds fixed temporary and restore moisture back into your hair. I use it when I'm not doing a protein treatment, or I'm being lazy, or I don't feel like using it, or is what I have. I'll normally just do a cholesterol treatment. So that's my take on protein treatments. Again, I absolutely adore this product. You can find it at Sally's Beauty Supply Store. I got it for $10 at the Natural Hair Show, so I restocked like no other. Okay. So this is how my hair looks before I sat under the dryer, and this is how my hair looks after I got from under the dryer. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this out, and then I'm going to blow out my hair and clip my ends off camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and use these steam rollers that I bought from Amazon, and this is what it looks like. That's the little clip that goes over the steam rollers. Now all you do is open it up, and it's a little line inside that you fill the water up to. And then once you plug it in, after like a couple seconds, really, they say a minute, but after a couple seconds it starts to heat up, and then you put the roller on the little machine, and the roller actually starts to get hot, and it can get really, really hot too, like quickly. So a couple things I did wrong trying it out. This was my first go at it. I thought I could just add the rollers and I was just going to get this amazing body, kind of ignoring the fact that normally when I style my hair, I have a product applied to my ends. Because I have color treated hair, my ends get really dry if I don't have a product applied to it. So I feel like maybe I should apply like some kind of hair serum before I put the rollers on. And also that you don't get to choose the size of the rollers. I found that the bigger rollers give you great body, but they don't give you a tight curl, especially how I rolled it. And the smaller rollers give you a tight curl. So when I took these down, it was kind of more of just a lot of volume, but the curl started to fade out as I started to separate my hair. And I think what I should have did was roll my hair really tightly for extremely tight curl, and just worked with more of the medium to smaller rollers and worked in smaller sections. I think this would have came out to be a better success. I'm going to try that again, and I'll probably just let y'all know, on my Instagram how it comes out whenever I do try it again, instead of just putting you through another video on the same thing. Also, I did notice that when you leave, you're supposed to leave these in your hair for like 15 to 20 minutes. But I noticed like it didn't really do nothing when I did that. So they had another option in the instructions. They said you can also put a blow dryer to your hair, or you can sit under a dryer for 15 and 20 minutes. And I found that sitting under a dryer gave me better results than just leaving it in my hair, which kind of in a way defeats the purpose of using this, because I imagine that it's supposed to be like a quick hairstyle and for you to not have to sit under the dryer. But everybody's hair's texture is different. This probably wasn't even made for our type of hair. But I think if you wear your hair stretched, a lot, and then apply these and sit under the dryer, then you'll get a good curl for that day look. But this is not something that's going to last. It's just not that type of look. It's like a quick, you got somewhere to go today. But if you're in any kind of hot environment, then I wouldn't even purchase these, because as soon as I went outside in Atlanta weather, this was an afro. And you can see my face. I was like, oh, okay, it's curling. Like, I was all excited. But when it started to separate, when I started to separate the curls, I realized that it just wasn't going to do what I wanted to do. And, that excitement kind of left. I really didn't care for it anymore. And that's just, I'll just be honest with you. Again, I'll play around with it again to see if working in smaller sections, using the smaller rollers will give me a better outcome, and applying a hair serum for the frizz for my ends before will work better. But I can only tell you what I did, and hopefully, and what I feel I did wrong. And hopefully, if you decide to purchase these, you'll get a better, a better outcome. But that's just my opinion. They have mixed reviews on Amazon too. I've seen some people have, thicker hair than mine, and their curls came out successful. And then I've seen some people say they absolutely hate it, and they had, a more of a straighter texture. So I just guess it depends on the person, how you're using it, how tight the curl is. It's just all that. But it was worth a try. I'm not going to send it back again. I'm going to play around with it a little bit more. This could be something that, I can finally get the hang of it. I don't like to give up on stuff. Like, I like to keep trying until I make it work for me. I like to get my money's worth. So that's what I'm going to do. I did purchase the magic rollers. So when I get a chance, I'm going to do a video on that. But I have my little crochet passion twist I want to do to my hair, and I want to record. So that'll be probably my next video, because that's really why I blow dried my hair for. But since I saw these, I was like, why not? I'll leave the link in the description box below where you can find these if you are interested and you like the style. I know sometimes when I hate stuff, y'all are like, girl, calm down. It's not that deep, sis. We like it. So pretty sure y'all will be honest with me and let me know if it was a bust or if it was a yes, or if you'll try it. Again, like I said, it could be because I have color treated ends and they get frizzy real quick. Maybe if my hair was all black, it wouldn't have been so bad. But also keep in mind, I'm in Georgia and it is hot as hell. So that's it. But again, let me know below if this was yes or no, and if you're going to try these products. And again, that was my favorite protein treatment. So until the next video, bye.